Say what's up, guys. Welcome to the vlog. Hi. Doing some early morning ABA therapy. Doing fun stuff. You want to go? You ready to go? Let's go. Okay. We got to go run to the post office and we have to run to the P.O. box to see if there's any packages. We don't want them to fill up the box again when we go out of town. Hey, can you get the packages? I think your shoes are in the car. We'll check. Nice job. Look at you. This way. Come on, you gotta get your stuff, remember? You got it? Look, both handles. There you go. Alright. She's super excited about helping. Super excited about something. Hey, you forgot your bag. Hey, wrong way. This is not your space. Come on. Hi, how are you? You looking for new friends back there? Now you push. Push. Turn. There you go. Good job. Okay, pull them all out. Oh, I see someone with your name on them. That's exciting.
Did you get to see the shark? I saw you come in and come out fast.
Abbie, wait. We gotta get the other packages. Come here.
Abbie, did you want to check the shark out?
Look, there's a bathroom. That's fun. Come on. Let's get the rest.
Did you see the shark up there?
Shark's almost as old as I am.
Look at it. Cool. You're totally checking it out.
Isn't that neat? Alright, let's grab your stuff.
Alright guys, have a nice weekend.
You too, thank you.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Good way. Look at
Say
you.
bye.
Up in the air.
See, not a bad session. It was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
What do you want to do? You want music or you want to ride the golf cart? We can do that. Let's go. So Abigail doesn't usually have ABA therapy on Saturdays. It was just Brittany had some makeup time, so figured we'd do just like a little outing. You know, we didn't really work on anything, but it was good for like observing behavior and trying to maintain appropriate behavior when we go out, which Abigail really did great. So really good job. She's been really in tune and cooperative and still having a good time, you know, not like submissive, boring cooperative, like ridiculously happy cooperative. So that's good. Priscilla will be home in about 24 hours, so we'll see her soon. I'm gonna try to get some chores done before she gets home. Like, I'd like to get caught up on some laundry, get the house cleaned up, get our car clean. Look at you, are you ready to open packages? Mail time. Okay, here, you want to start opening the letters first? Go ahead, open that up. What's in there? Oh, careful, don't rip the card. What is that? What is that? What is that? Do you know what that is? That's kind of like a cookie. Yeah, that's a cupcake. This is from Liz Hartzler in Illinois. Thank you so much for the card, Liz. We will read that. This is from Abe Alsop. Nope, this is from Abigail also. Abigail has the same name as you. Look at that. Thank you so much for the nice letter. Her name is Abbie also. What, you need to go to the bathroom? Let's open this stuff, then we'll go to the bathroom, okay? This is from Anna. Anna in Utah. Oh, we have a return envelope. Thanks for the kiss. Here, look, what does this say? Holy cow, this is a long one. Oh, thank you so much. You guys know how much we love letters. Tell Madeline we said hi. What is that? What are those? Candy gummy bears. Made with Love for Abbie by Beck Band. Abbie, this is from Brittany. Thank you so much, Brittany. And this one's made for Priscilla. How cute. You have matching headbands. Okay, hold on. Matching headbands, look. That's super cute. I don't know how this works. We're gonna try it. Something like that. And then we'll go like, I don't know. Maybe like this. Up over your head. There. Look. Aw, you look cute. Mom will have to do that. I don't know what I'm doing. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's Floof. Thank you for your channel. I've changed colleges and majors because of it. Thought this shirt was funny for Isaiah and Floof fun for Abbie. Amazon doesn't give me enough lines for what I want to say. I will send a real letter soon, Claire. Thank you so much, Claire. Oh look, you can make snowmen. Remember when we did the homemade snow and it wasn't very good? This is probably gonna be way better. Ooh. 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 This is amazing. I don't even know what this is. You can make snowmen. We're gonna do that later. We're making snowmen in July in Florida. Look, it comes with like little snowmen things. We'll do that later, without a doubt. This says, nope. This is not a shirt. Aw, Abbie, look. Tracy said I knew she needed new pajamas. Hope these fit and work. If not, pass them on. Love, Tracy. Thank you so much, Tracy. Look, these are from Tracy and Bella. Look. Oh, these can replace your ones that don't fit right now. Oh yeah, those are gonna fit. Those are perfect. Look, Abbie, they're cute. They got little pockets. Look at little pockets. Love them. Aww. Look. Of course, there'll be back pockets for you. You can put stuff in your back. Like a hunting vest. Are they super comfy? You look great. Perfect, huh? I don't know if gummy bears are her favorite, but she sure does love getting them. Probably. I think they're your favorite, huh? You like them, don't you? Thank you guys so much for all the cool stuff. You guys are so thoughtful. I've got to go read letters now. Say thank you. Look over there. Look. Right there. Say thank you. Thank you. Very nice card, Liz. Thank you so very much. If we can hook up with you for a meetup, we definitely will. That would be a lot of fun, Abbie. Have fun at camp if we don't get to see you. You're gonna love it. Madeline sounds a lot like Abbie, you're right. And I'm really excited that she's got ABA therapy now. I hope that keeps going in a positive direction for you. Good news. And Brittany, thank you so much. Brittany has an Etsy store called Beck Bands. You guys should go check out Beck Bands. Priscilla's favorite was the letters. I think my favorite is starting to become the letters as well. So thanks, guys. You're awesome. Okay, one more. We dropped one on the way in. I just found it. So this is from Spencer. He said, "Dear Abbie, I'm so glad your mom read my letter on the vlog. It was really cool seeing my picture in a video. I really like how you're so happy and upbeat. I would so love to meet you and the family if you ever decide to come to Minnesota. I'm totally down to be your tour guide. I'm so sorry I missed your birthday. I hope it was everything you wanted it to be." Thank you so much, Spencer. If we ever come to Minnesota, you're going to be our tour guide. It's settled. Well, we were supposed to go to the pool, but then that happened, so there's thunder. It stopped raining just a second ago, but thunder and lightning, so they won't open the pool back up. Probably won't open it up today for the rest of the day. That's a bummer. That was gonna be our plan for the afternoon, Ab. I'm sorry. No pool. So instead, we're doing chicken stir fry. We were both getting hungry, and it's like 4 o'clock, so it's not really dinner. It's like I don't know. We're just hungry. It's a weekend. It's summertime. Who cares? Yeah. Chicken stir fry whenever. Look, Abigail. It's sunshine. You wanna go? Ah. You wanna go? You don't wanna go now? What do you wanna do? You can't just sit inside. There's sunshine. Of all the places to take her, we're at Walmart. She already had a little bit of a tantrum pulling in the parking lot. It's gonna be worth it. I promise it's gonna be worth it. And I forgot my camera, so I'm on my phone. How does a vlogger forget his camera? Because she was running out the door and she was so excited to go. And now she's not very excited. It's okay. Hey, we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna do something fun. I promise. Okay? Okay, you okay to go in? It's for good reason. Do you want to go in there? No? Maybe we'll go somewhere else, okay? Well, yeah, we'll do that. Hold on, I'm fixing it. I'm buckling it. Okay, we'll go. We're going. Okay, we're going, okay? Never mind. I'm not gonna put her through that. We can go somewhere else. I mean, I feel you, girl. I hate Walmart too. I understand. I promise, I do. We'll go somewhere else, okay? There we go. Is this better? Good job. Watch where you're going. Look, can you get this? Get this. How many? So, as much as I would like to pretend like everything just went hunky-dory and we're getting ready to do shaving cream party and everything, way off schedule. We just had the biggest meltdown she's ever had. It lasted a good 10 minutes. 10 minutes doesn't feel like a long time until you are wrestling someone who's using every single muscle in their body, and you're just trying to keep them from hurting themselves, and then they try to hurt you because you won't let them hurt themselves. I love you. I've had a few people comment, and if there's a few people that comment, then there's a lot of people that feel this way. And I don't mean a lot, like proportionally speaking. The overwhelming majority of you understand why we don't show these meltdowns that she's been having. But, you know, and I totally get the people that think we should show it. You know, they want to know what it looks like, so they know it when they see it. I assure you, you know, and I genuinely understand. I know what you're saying. I get it. But I assure you that you'll know it when you see it. When there's a 13-year-old girl who's throwing herself on the floor and screaming and biting herself and jumping around and thrashing her arms and attacking anybody that comes near her, I mean, you're gonna know it when you see it. It's just not necessary, you know. You get to see the aftermath, and man, it would have been so easy for me just to skip it and go straight to B-roll and show like shaving cream bliss, but that's not real. So this is real. But the shaving cream bliss is gonna be real too. We're gonna have a lot of fun with shaving cream. We're okay now. Yeah, we're gonna ride the golf cart, and we're gonna eat, and we're gonna play in shaving cream. We're gonna do all of those things. right, guys, we still managed to end the day on a positive note, so that's good. And it's gonna get better because it's bath time. Hey, you ready to take a bath? You wanna take a bath? Yeah? Okay. Can I have a kiss? Give me a big kiss. Come on. Come on. Oh, thank you. Hey, you wanna close out the vlog? Say bye, Ab. Bye, close it out. Abbie, the neighbors had a yard full of puppies back there. I wish we could have gone and seen them. I don't know if they're like selling them or what. Abbie has a hard time with puppies. She wants to squeeze them because they're really soft. You can't squeeze other people's puppies. This would have been a lot cheaper at Walmart. Just want you to know that. Because I love you.